Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and I want to shout out this beautiful dress from Alex Evenings. You guys, this is a mock dress, so even though it looks like a very pretty sparkly lace top and flowing chiffon skirt, it is actually all one piece for just supreme comfort, and you know that you're just going to have a very put together perfect dress, perfect wardrobe for your special occasion. This is going to be 3/4 length sleeve, so just very pretty, very dainty, gorgeous neckline, and that tea-length skirt that's just going to kind of flow and be very pretty, very elegant, and very flattering on all body types. This fits true to size, it's super well made, and you can get it on Prime Wardrobe, which means that you can try it out for 7 days before you purchase it to make sure that it's going to fit and going to look great and going to be the exact perfect dress for you for your special occasion. On this lace top, it's going to have just a little few sequins to give it just a little bit of shine, a little bit of sparkle, a little bit that says, hey, this is a special occasion, but it's not overdone. It's just the exact right amount of pop for your special day. You guys are gonna love this one. It's going to be comfortable, elegant, beautiful, and gonna make you feel really, really confident on whatever special occasion you choose to wear this beautiful dress. Go ahead and put this in your cart. You guys are gonna be so glad that you did.